Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Can I go? Hey. Sorry. Can you let it cool for a minute? Give me info? Yeah. Okay, sorry. Right. I don't want you to blow nothing either.
850 is the million package now, and Ford Carrier Space 8K, they're doing pretty good right now. We just recalled, so they're in a good state.
Yeah.
This one's hot as fuck, we don't know.
Are they all broken in?
No, not at all, no.
No?
Now, fresh turn on, go ham.
Really? Okay. What is it tuned to? I see your ports cut out to make it work, but what do you know what it's tuned to?
Not offhand.
Not offhand, okay. Have y'all done any meter testing yet?
Market pound to put together Friday.
Really? Okay.
Market pound of 140.
Okay. So what's your goals out of this, you think, meter-wise? 64, 65?
I just demo, that's what
Oh, you're not looking for a meter score?
No, not really. No.
Really? Nice work?
People's, happiness.
Yeah, nice work, man. How thick is your baffle?
They're like basically like tubes.
Okay.
Like, 3 layers and then 1 layer in the back.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Appreciate it. What was your name?
Tim Gentry, man.
Tim.
Next plug.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. I'll check out the amp. Thank you for the demo. Woo. Oh, gosh. What's up, man? What's going on, man? And these are at 1 ohm or half ohm?
Half ohm per.
Okay. Are they 1 ohm amps?
Yep. But I mean, they'll do a half ohm.
Oh, okay. How much lithium?
Just a 90
or C-Max?
90 amp hour.
90 amp hour. Wow.
Not really needed.
Yeah.
See where the voltage is sitting.
Yep. Awesome.
Yes?
You want full screen? Awesome. All right. That was musical. Sure, yeah, she's gonna roll us up. Street runners, beats like
With that window up, it's like 2.5 dB louder. Yeah, I appreciate that, man.
Piss me up. So many.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.